Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to clear YouTube history on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on YouTube app. Okay, then tap on profile icon. Okay, scroll down, click on settings. After that, tap on manage all history. Okay, just wait few seconds, then show your all history. Just tap on delete option, then delete. Click on delete all time. Just click, then show your YouTube all history. Just click delete, tap on got it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.